Hi guys, this is php-luminova framework. In this video we'll be showing you how you can install Luminova in your system, how you can start working on Luminova. So to get started, we need to head to installation page. In this page we can see different ways of installing Luminova, but the recommended one is Composer, in order to allow you update the dependency and install other packages that you might need during your application development. So if you don't have Composer already installed, you can click here to follow the Composer official documentation on how to download Composer in your system. But in this video we already have Composer installed in our system. So what we're going to do is we're going to be copying this Composer installation command for Luminova, and if you want you can change my project to your project name or your website name or anything depending on your project that you're working on. So we copy this and we open our command line tool, we cd to the folder where we want to install Luminova. So in this video we'll be installing Luminova in XAMPP folder, htdoc folder. So the reason why we're doing this is because anytime we want to switch to using XAMPP server, we can just switch, but we're not going to be using a XAMPP server in this video. We're going to be using only NovaKit, Luminova NovaKit built-in server. So we paste our installation command and hit enter, and we wait for the installation to complete. Okay, once the installation is completed, our application key has been generated. The next thing we need to do is to start our server. So in order to start our server, we need to go to the documentation and see how we can start our server. So we go back to development, PHP local server. So in order to start Luminova server, this is all we need to run. So we copy this and open our terminal. So we need to cd to the project we just installed. So cd my project, then we paste this command, and our server is on. So we can copy this link to access our project on browser. So we copy this, we can open a new tab and paste. So this is it. You can see php-luminova 3.0.6 have been installed and it's up. So if you want to stop the server, you can click on Ctrl+C. So once you type Ctrl+C, the server is off. So if you reload again, you can see it's not reachable anymore. If you want to assign a new port, let's say port 8080 is blocked and you want to use a different port, you can see how this is how you can do that. You need to pass the port you want. So let us try a different port other than the one shown in the documentation. So we're going to run the same command again, then we're going to pass port equals to 8084, sorry, with 8084. Okay, so we are running on 8084. So we copy it. You can see 8080 is not up, so we paste this new one, 8084. So 8084, you see, it's working. So if you also want to stop the server, we can Ctrl+C, then the server is off. So guys, that is all for today. This is how you can get Luminova installed in your system. Please make sure you subscribe and leave your comment. You can give us a feedback on which video you would like us to do next, what you want to see, how you can do it on Luminova, and we are here to always give you videos on and tutorials on how you can use Luminova to make the most out of it. Thank you guys. Please subscribe and see you next time.